Successful staging of Zoso Community Services Fair. Prime Minister pledges support for regional countries hit by Hurricane Irma and celebrates 55 years of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Lorraine Mendez.
We will have the RGD. We will have the Passport Office, PICA. We will have the EOJ. We will have representatives from the Tax Office for issuing TRN. We will have representatives from SEC and HART. And we will also have their various health services.
The Zoso Community Services Fair was held in Mount Salem, St. James on the weekend. Before the two-day event, Prime Minister Andrew Holness convened the first meeting of the Social Intervention Committee at Jamaica House. During Tuesday's meeting, he told committee members that their main focus must be on community and peace-building initiatives. Prime Minister Holness also urged them to continue to engage and build the confidence of residents. And the Social Intervention Committee began its work in Mount Salem on September 3, with Prime Minister Andrew Holness announcing a back-to-school fund. The fund was established to help parents offset the cost of their children's education. Money will also be provided for parents to get school identification cards for children living in the zone. The fund is being administered by the Community Intervention Committee and the Joint Command.
We will be meeting with the guidance counselors for them to identify students from the zone who are in need, and so support can be channeled through the schools to the students. Parents who are in need in the community, after being assessed, will also be assisted directly. So we are doing everything within the zone to ensure that all children of school age turn out for school. And we will continue to support them to ensure that they stay in school.
The Andrew Holness-led National Security Council on Tuesday instructed the Jamaica Constabulary Force to review its systems of data collection, collation, and reporting on crime statistics. The directive follows the uncovering of an error in the murder statistics reported for Mount Salem, the first zone of special operations. Meanwhile, the National Security Council says notwithstanding the data error, it was justified in declaring Mount Salem the first zone, given the relevant legal criteria, intelligence, and strategic and operational considerations. This past week found Prime Minister Andrew Holness offering Jamaica's assistance to Caribbean countries affected by Hurricane Irma. In a statement on September 6, Mr. Holness revealed that he had made contact with the leaders of the affected countries. He said CARICOM had been briefed by the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, which had sent out first responders to affected nations. The Prime Minister also disclosed that the Ministry of Foreign Affairs had made inquiries into the welfare of Jamaicans on the islands impacted by Hurricane Irma.
I want to commend you, to compliment you on your 55th year of service to Jamaica, and I want to encourage you to continue to hold the flag of Jamaica high, which you literally do. You are the flag bearers of Jamaica.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressing those gathered for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade's 55th anniversary exhibition. While thanking Foreign Service officers for their work in making Jamaicans' lives better, he called for greater opportunities to expand trade and increase initiatives to attract foreign investments.
If you spot an investment opportunity or you use your initiative and see an investment opportunity, work out the protocol to formalize that, which I'm sure you have already in the ministry, to pass it to JAMPRO or whatever. But let's find more leads to investment. Because just relying on the bilateral to bilateral is not going to be enough.
And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. We return next time with more of the news coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.